Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just recorded this dramatic Instagram inspired look by Mitchell, so I hope you enjoy. And I'm just going in with Ploies base in shade 2. And I'm just applying that all over the eye. Mitchell inspired look, so I'm going in with the Be Perfect Stacey Marie palette. I'm in with Hustle, the crease. Now I'm only going kind of like to there just because I want a little gap of white there. I don't know though if I want glitter or not. Buffing that out with shade Keen. I'm just a big fluffy brush and I'm just going half on shadow, half off, and I'm just blending that up. And then I'm just blending that shadow up just a little bit more. Just going in with shade Guilty, and I am just going to apply that to the outer part of the eye. Like that. So I'm applying that in kind of like a shape of a C, or in the shape of a C, because I want to wing that out, but we don't want to wing it out just yet. So then that means when we go back, we can wing it out nicely. With shade Funky. So I'm just going in with a small brush. And I am just half on the shadow, half off. And I am just slowly starting to wing that out. I just asked people to ask me some questions just what I'm doing to makeup. Like I don't want it just to be makeup, but this one isn't going to be that chatty, but the next one I promise will be. Just because my setup is a little bit annoying at the minute. So the first one is your favourite eyeshadow palette. I don't know. No jokes on it, I actually don't know. No, actually, I have no idea. My favourite one would probably be my Dose of Colours X Desi Perkins palette. I don't know, it's just so nice. But I think, I'm pretty sure it's discontinued, I don't know. But I'm quite sad because I'm already coming to the end of it. Wait, I'll show you. So yeah, that's my favourite one. It's a little bit dirty at the minute. Like, as you can see, it is well loved. But I'm pretty sure it's discontinued, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm going in with that like really luminous pink shade, and I'm kind of like doing it in window wiper motions. And then I'm just gonna start slowly winging that up with like bright pink shadow. And I'm just going in with shade Guilty again. And I am just applying that to the outer corner again, and then slowly bringing it up to the edge as well. Then going back in with my previous brush and just, you didn't know I'm kind of famous on TikTok. Jokes, I get loads of hate on it. Well, I don't, Katie does. I did on TikTok on Katie and they got loads of hate, didn't it? People started calling Katie Trump and saying that, what else were they saying? I can't even remember. Orange. Yeah, everyone just kept saying orange and all, and then people were like saying that like, oh my god, does he not know how the colour matches lines and all this shit? And I was like, feck off, honestly. But like, you don't match your foundation to your fucking face. Imagine if I matched her there, right there now. She'd have a white face and a brown neck. Like, that's just fake tan to me, like. Right, now I'm just going in with Ploies. This is just the original palette, I'm not even going to show, but I'm going in with the white shade. It's the only good white eyeshadow. Going in with shade Liquor. And I'm just applying that onto the outer corner. Always darker the colour, smaller the brush. Just applying that right there. And then I'm just going back in with my small blender brush again. I'm just applying that again. So you can see there now, like we've added like a nice little depth. So I'm just going in with Inglot 77 gel liner. And so I'm just lining the lash line. So you can see there now, because we went in with that dark colour, it's kind of all blending together. I don't really have to do any work. So I'm just going to go back in with that dark liqueur shade again, and I'm just going to pat that over the black. And then I'm just going to slowly bring it up. Right into the crease like that. Go back in with some more base. on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that onto the outer corner. So this is kind of just like a guard for the eyeshadow to not go anywhere else. So I'm now just going in with some lashes. These are just ones off Amazon. How nice are they? €9 for like 20 pairs. How could you go wrong? I'm just going in with my lash, just on tweezers, and I am just going in with L'Oreal Hygienist, and I'll just go in with the LA Girl Illuminator. So I've also got to try this new foundation. It's the Sculpted Second Skin. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. So I'm not really gonna talk about it in this one, so I'm gonna do another video on it. But I don't know how full coverage this is gonna be. But that's nice.
Covered my red.
So I like stippling my foundation in. It really like gets into the pores. So same with your eye base, you want to always pat it in. Because if you're doing swirl motion. So now I'm just going to do with some LA Girl foundation in shade Natural. Just because I want a little bit more full coverage. Okay, so now I'm just going to do with the Barry M concealer. This is also Ploies. So I'm just applying it straight to the tube. I'm just buffing that out with a beauty blender. Like, look at that coverage. Shit, I literally completely forgot about that TikTok. Right, hold on. Please don't leave me any hate comments. This is my first YouTube. I really don't want to be left any hate. And now I'm going in with some MAC Face and Body N9. Right, so I applied that to the highest part. So I always apply my contour and drag it up, because if you drag. So now I'll just go in with the Laura Mercier loose powder in dark. So I see Molly May's makeup artist use this, so obviously I have to do it. So this is just some translucent powder. It's literally like clown white, but it's so good for underneath the eyes. Then I'm just going in with Miliani with Baked Luminosos, and I'm just going to go apply this onto the inner corner, or in the waterline, sorry. And now I am just going in with MAC Just a Pinch blush. It is fab. Like, just look at it. Look. So I don't really use highlighter anymore because this has highlighter in it. So you don't really need any more highlighter once you use this. But like, it just changes the makeup from a 5 to a 20. Doesn't it? And then, so I'm just going in with Barry Post Lip Liner. And I'm just going in with MAC Honeylove. And I am just going to curl her hair and do some finished touches, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. I hope everyone enjoyed that. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment on what you want to see next. I'm